So boil a pot full of water and add your crabs in. I've added 4 or 5 crabs. Close it, keep it for 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes it should look like this, almost a bit reddish in color. So after that you take it out and then you can start cleaning it. It will be very hot, but it's always best if you can take the shells off while it's hot, because it's easier and better. You can clean it faster. So you can see the flesh almost coming, almost cooked, and then that's how you peel it off, like pull the top part off, and there are small pieces of like, I don't know, like tentacles. You have to take them off, and then you should discard that black color piece off. I'm not sure. And then this is how you clean it off. After doing this, you can put it in a bowl of water, add some salt and wash it, and again we used to wash it also with some turmeric water, after which we add our marination and we devel the crabs. You can either devel it or even take off the flesh and make your soup. But before everything, cleaning is very important, and sometimes it can be dangerous, so please do it well.